everybody, your favorite goddess of chaos here. I am in a very good mood today because I came home and I have all these packages. Feels like Christmas. Postman is probably like, man, she does too much online shopping. And I probably do. So what I have right here are 2 packages from Ipsy, one of my favorite beauty boxes. I have a package from Juvias place, which I'm very excited to open and try. I've been wanting to try their stuff for a while, and I just, I saw a great sale, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna buy a few things, even though I don't need them. And then also, I got a couple packages from a company that I like to support. They are a small business, and they are women-owned, and they have some really comfortable stuff. So, Cheek Boss, I love them. I have replaced almost all of my underwear with these. They're so stretchy, they're so soft. If you want to give them a try, they're great, and I just love them. And then they have a sister company called Pop Fit, which I ordered a few things from as well. So hopefully I will be unboxing these very soon. I have a couple things to do tonight, but as soon as I get around to it, I will unbox everything and I'll show you what I got. And I'm back. Yeah, just I got done with a therapy session, which that's been going pretty well. Everything's going pretty well with for me at work with my new job. Not working retail anymore. It's everything's going great. So I'm a lot less stressed, and anyways, so first I'm going to open, this one's the one that I've been most excited about, which is the package from Juvia's place. I think I ordered like 3 or 4 things. So, see, they package it really nicely. Oh. Drop the scissors. Okay. Oh, these pallets are bigger than I thought they were going to be. Let's see what else we got. Okay. Oh, looks like I got a brow gel. Oh, interesting. Hope to try that soon. Definitely take another video whenever I go to use it. And this is a concealer. That's right. They have a very convenient thing on their website where you go and you basically either like take a picture of yourself, you upload a picture, and they tell you what the shade might be best for you. Try to take it in like a natural light. I think I picked the right one. Of course, I can't really smell too much because I'm plugged up, if you can't tell. This shade is number 19. I don't know if it actually says like a name. Let's see. Place. Yeah, it just says Magic Concealer number 19. So whenever I go to use any of this stuff, I'll make sure I upload. Next, we have the Ice Sculpt Eye Shade Eyebrow Palette. Very excited to try this one. Normally, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow. The thing is, I recently ran out of it, and I made the stupid decision to purchase it off of eBay. Well, I don't think it's authentic because it doesn't look so great. Plus, see, this is the container that my original one came in. And this is the one that the eBay one came in. It's quite beveled on the side, just to compare. Plus the font is a little bit different, so I'm thinking it's a fake. So when I went onto the Juvia's Place website, I saw this was on a pretty good sale day, so I'm like, you know, I'm gonna try this. So, I'm making a mess of myself. What else is new? The Eye Sculpt Eye Shade. And this one is really nice because you actually have a selection of different colors you could choose. Like if there's a, I'd probably normally go with this one, but if I decide to experiment and I want to try something new, I have that option. So that's another reason why I really wanted this when I saw it. Can't wait to try it. Next are the eyeshadow palettes. Oh, this is the best part. I got the Magic Mini and the Warrior 3. I don't know, this looks like a pretty big palette to me. Let's see what's so mini about it. This one's the Magic Mini. Oh, come on. Oh, this looks very nice. Oh, I've been wanting to try them for a long time. Maybe I'll try them tomorrow and I'll upload another video. I'm not very good at opening boxes. See, I just tear the crap out of them. Warrior 3 palette. Ooh. These two will look really nice with my shirt today. Can't wait. All right, there's actually going to be a part 2 with my continuing to unbox because I don't want one video to be too long. Plus, I don't want someone to have to wait through the whole video to see the product that they want to see me unbox because it's a bunch of different things. You might not be interested in seeing me unbox the pop fit or anything like that. So the rest is going to be on another video. So stay tuned for part 2. And if this is all you wanted to see today, thank you for stopping by. Hit like and subscribe. Be either like right there or a little thing will pop up over here. Anyway, so go out into the world, cause a little bit of chaos. See you later. Bye.